Napakainit ng panahon ngayon, no? Alam nyo bang magkapareho ang weather ng Thailand at Pilipinas? Kaya siguradong patok rin ito sa atin. It's sweet, creamy, and ice cold. Perfect pick-me-up na yung summer season. Ingredients that we need are inJoy milk tea powders, fresh milk, condensed milk, crushed ice, and water. First, let's make our sticky milk tea base.
Mix everything together until it becomes thick and sticky. Haluin ng mabuti para walang mga powder bits. Ang milk tea powders ng inJoy ay all-in-one. May creamer, sweetener, at tea extract. Talagang value for money ito. Ayan, ready na ang ating sticky milk tea base.
Yan, after natin gawin yung mga sticky milk tea base natin, magka-crush naman tayo ng ice. There you go! Meron na tayong crush ice. Gagamit tayo ng 16 ounce cups. Makakabili kayo nito sa mga market o kaya naman online. First, we'll add Tapioca Pearls. Then, fill your cup with crushed ice. Make sure lang na maglilib kayo ng space para sa sticky milk tea base. Then, let's add 100 ml of fresh milk. Then lastly, we will add our caramel sugar sticky milk tea base. Sticky milk tea could be the perfect addition to your business this summer. A taste of Thailand, here in the Philippines? Bongga, no? Kaya ano pang iniintay mo, Enjoypreneur? Mag-business ka na. Ito na ang sign mo to start your own business. Comment down below if you have any questions. We'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye!